Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an amazing set of products from One Day Saving. And I'll link all of the information down below. This is something new. I would call it also papercraft adjacent, where I think that it is something that I can use in combination with my paper crafting. This is diamond painting, and diamond painting is a really fun craft that my younger daughters enjoy, and they have created some really cute like pictures, but there's only so much you can do with the pictures. But look at these. These are keychains. This says I need a hug. This says be you. Lovely. It'll be able to see it better once the stickers come off, what they actually each one says. This one's a Christmas one. Anyway, so as you can see, how it works here is there are individual letters that you put the stones and decorate with sparkles, essentially. Look at all the beautiful colors. So these are called drills officially. And it comes with all of these colors. And then it also comes with a little kit of keychains too. That's fantastic. I have my own keychains, but I'm really excited that it's come with its own keychains. Look at those. Oh, with everything. So this is good. I actually have these kinds of things that in different colors as well, so if I wanted to mix and match, but these are usually very expensive to buy on their own, so I'm excited that I'll be able to put all these together. I can put additional charms and things on there. I was thinking it would make a really neat planner charm, like for my planner here, like because the size of it is nice and substantial, sort of thing. So I'm gonna have fun working with that. Very excited about those. That's so 5 of those there. And then these are the tools that you need. Basically, this is the little glue. This is the pen. You stick in the sticky substance. You put it in place on the appropriate letter. And then, yeah, it will be a pretty quick, simple project. And I like that it's a little project that you can sit down and do like while you're watching a show, or maybe bring it outside on a picnic table enjoying the sunshine. Like, it's an awesome little craft to do, and that it's something that you can sit down and do in one sort of session where you get a finished product at the end of it. So that is really, really fun. Okay, so the second thing that I chose was this. It was so hard to pick which products to get because they had so many amazing options. But you know me, I love owls. So how could I not choose these little owl notebooks? Again, another super useful, adorable project that is so cute. And it would make a great little gift for a pen pal for Happy Meal. So these little guys here are the notebooks, and then these are the tools necessary to go with them. So every time, this is good to note, every time you get a set of the tools that you need to actually put your materials together, which is fantastic because my daughter got a big diamond painting set and it only came with one little square of glue, and I was thinking at the time, like, it's not going to be enough to be able to do an entire portrait. So this is fantastic because each individual one comes with its own set, so there's more than enough supply. So here are all the different colors, and these are the stickers. So they did get a little damaged during shipping, but it won't really matter, because like this, for example, this isn't going to be stuck on there. The glitter is the part. So the only part that's going to get stuck on there is this part. So this is where you do the diamond painting, and then you stick it on here, and basically all of this is still going to be showing through. Oh yeah, that part there too. So in this part as well. Yeah, so it'll be okay that some of this part that has peeled up, it won't actually even be on there, because that's going to be really cute that it's already got the built-in sort of sparkles there. Super cute. So this one is interesting. He's got sparkles on his eyes, and so I'm assuming that the eyes, yeah, see, the eyes won't be part of that. It'll just be, oh yeah, you can even see there's the outline right there. This is the part that's going to go on the book. So that's okay. So that's too bad that it got a little damaged. You can see sort of what it's going to look like, but I think it's not going to affect the overall performance. I'm going to go ahead and create some of these. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video, and then you will see the finished product, because so much cuteness. Like, I could even see these making like a cute set of, like, for a little gift pairing sort of thing. Like, you could pair two of these little guys together or something. Super cute. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll have all the links down below if you're interested. The prices are amazing. The shipping was super quick, and yeah, they look like a lot of fun to work with. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.